If your support team is drowning in tickets, your website might be the problem. The Zendesk web widget lets customers find answers, chat with agents, and submit tickets without ever leaving your page. And it cuts ticket volume by 25% on average. Here is exactly how to set it up. The Zendesk web widget is a support tool that embeds directly into any web page. Customers can search your help center, start a live chat, or submit a ticket from one compact interface. No redirects, no separate portals. It works around the clock, even when your agents are offline. Zendesk gives you two widget types. The messaging widget supports continuous conversations, real-time chat, and native AI integrations, built for modern support teams. The classic widget uses session-based chats and structured contact forms, a solid fit for teams that rely on detailed ticketing workflows. To get started, go to Admin Center, then Channels, then Messaging and Social, and select Messaging. Click Add Channel and choose Web Widget. Give your channel a name, select your brand if you run multiple, and configure your initial messaging preferences. After setup, Zendesk gives you a short script snippet. Copy it and paste it just before the closing body tag on your website. If you are on WordPress, add it through theme settings or a code injection plugin. That one script is all it takes to activate the widget. Once the code is live, open your site in an incognito window. This simulates a first-time visitor and bypasses any cached sessions. Check that the widget appears in the right position with correct branding, test a help center search, send a test chat, and submit a test ticket to confirm it routes correctly. With the widget live, you can now match it to your brand. Set your primary colors for buttons and headers. Zendesk includes contrast checking built in. Adjust placement to the left or right corner. Choose whether it starts expanded or collapsed, and add your logo if you are on an enterprise plan. Turn on Help Center search so customers can find answers on their own. In Admin Center, go to Channels, Widget, Customization, and toggle on Help Center search. Then, enable contextual help to surface articles based on the specific page a customer is viewing. When customers need direct help, a well-built contact form routes their request to the right team. Enable the contact form in widget settings, then add custom ticket fields to capture details like order numbers or issue categories. Set up routing rules to assign tickets automatically based on what customers submit. For teams that need to protect sensitive support content, JWT authentication ensures only verified users can access the widget. Go to Security Settings in Admin Center, enable JWT authentication, and configure CORS policies to restrict the widget to your specific domains. This prevents unauthorized access without any friction for legitimate customers. If you manage more than one brand, Zendesk lets you configure a separate widget for each. Go to Admin Center, Channels, Widget, and click Add Widget for each brand. You can customize the styling, branding, and linked knowledge base per widget, all under one Zendesk account. Once your widget is set up, you can take it further with Eesel AI. It connects directly into your Zendesk messaging widget. No custom build, no API configuration. Eesel learns from your help center and past tickets, automates ticket routing, and handles common questions before escalating to an agent. Setup takes minutes, not weeks. Your Zendesk web widget is ready to run. Add Eesel AI and it handles the repetitive work automatically, routing, deflection, and instant replies, so your team can focus on the conversations that actually need a human. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required.